Hi everyone, welcome to the varCODE EdTech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how slice function work inside JavaScript. So first of all, you need to understand what is slice function. So in the slice function, whenever you are doing any operation with any string or array, whenever you want a sub array or substring from a full array, you are going to use the slice function, right? So in simple word, you can extract a some part of array or string from the original array and you can store inside a next array and you can print it, right? Okay, so inside the VS Code, now we are going to see how this slice function works. So first of all, whenever you are creating an array, for example, if I create an array const arr equal to, let's suppose we are creating a fruits array, right? And banana, apple, orange, we can add some more fruits here. Kiwi, watermelon, right? Okay, so I have this array of fruits, right? Now how the slice function works. So first of all, you need to write this arr dot. When you call arr dot, when you write this arr dot, and many function will, you can see many functions here, right? So we are going to use the slice function. Now inside the slice function, we are going to give it two argument. One is the starting index and the other is the ending index. So this is just for explanation, you don't have to write it. Okay, so first of all, we are going to give it a starting index and then we are going to give it an ending index, right? So starting index is always inclusive. You need to remember that whenever you are starting to get something from this array using the slice function, the starting index will always be there, but ending index will always exclusive, right? So we are not going to include the ending index inside our array. Now what you can do, we have called this slice function. We can create a new variable with the name of const new arr equal to arr dot slice function, right? And we can store this new sub array inside this new array, right? Okay, so here, now if I pass the, first of all, I need to pass the starting index, right? First of all, I need to pass the starting index, then I need to pass the ending index. For example, I need to end it on the third index of array, so 0 1 2 3, right? So kiwi will be excluded inside this array. And now we can check, you can just save the file and try to run it. When you run it, okay, it is giving no code because we need to console log it, right? Console log new array. Now save the file, and if you check that it has given us apple and orange, we have put this 1 and 3 index here, right? So one index which is apple, so apple is included. You always remember, have to remember that we are always including the starting index, right? And till third, so 0 1 2 3 till kiwi, so that's why we haven't included the kiwi, because kiwi is the ending index, right? And as I said you before, that we are not going to include the ending index, we are only going to include the starting index, right? So suppose if I take an example of a string, how this will work on string. So we can create a new variable with the name of str, and we can take hello world inside this string, right? Okay, so now you can create a new variable again, const new str equal to str dot slice. Inside this str dot slice, we can pass from 7th character to 11th character, right? And we can console log our new str, and you can just comment it out so this array will not get printed again. Save the file, now check. Okay, it is giving us orld, right? So orld, we are passing from the 7th index, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 is included, so o r l and d. 11th index you need to see, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 is not there, right? So what I can do, I can make it 10 so you can understand it better. So now if you run it, it has excluded the ending index which is d, and it is only printing orl. That's how slice function work inside JavaScript. And also you can give the negative index inside the slice function, right? So if I create again a new array of integer, int arr equal to 1 2 3 4 5, right? So as I said, that you can give negative integers also, and you can terminate your starting or ending index. So new int arr equal to int arr dot slice, and we can pass -2 inside it, right? And now you can try to print this new int arr, and we can comment it out. Okay, now save the file, and if you run this file, you can see that it has printed this 4 and 5 only, right? So that's how this will going to work. If you are passing the negative index, which I have passed here, which is -2, then that's why it has printed last two index, which is 4 and 5. Suppose what if I have 6 here? So you can guess the result by pausing this video. I will have 5 and 6 last two index here, right? So that's how this things works. And also you can terminate the ending index, as I said before, that currently we are only passing the starting index, right? So what you can do, you can create new array with the name of, suppose, colors equal to, and this will be fine, const new colors. And we are not going to pass ending index, we are only going to pass the starting index, for example 2, right? And now you can print new colors, and you can comment this out, so it will not going to print again. Now if you run this file, you can guess what color we are printing. We are printing blue, yellow and purple. So we have given the starting index only, right? And starting index always included, so it is printing blue, yellow and purple, and it is leaving these two colors, which is red and green, right? So that's how slice function works in JavaScript. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much, and subscribe to our channel varCODE EdTech. Thank you.